For today's service, we're going to be utilizing reflectocils Intense Browns Kit. It looks like this. Not to be confused with their original tint kit, which utilizes an oxidant. This one uses colloidal silver and is the first FDA-approved kit on the market. So follow along and I'll show you how to use it. Here are the products you're going to need for today's service, and most of it comes in this kit. A pair of disposable gloves to protect your hands, tons of Q-tips and cotton rounds. I like these little eye drops from Allergan because they're individual and they're disposable in case your client needs an eye drop. The LAshX cleanse, protein remover wipes, mascara wands and micro swabs, under eye gel pads, and then the other products are all found in this kit. You're going to need the tint remover, the brow mapper, the brow and lash tinting brush and palettes, and lastly your tint products. This kit is very different than the traditional tint where you had an oxidant and a color. This is a 3-step system. So you're going to have a primer, and it comes in strong or mild, and that only is used for the brow, not the lashes. Your step 1 base, this is where you choose your color for the brow or the lash, and then your step 2 activator. And again, those items are all found in the kit. That's everything you're going to need for the service today. Let's get started. So for the lashes, we're going to use our reflectocils or LAshX gel pads. I'm going to have Kelly look up towards the back. This time, these are going to come right up under the lash line to protect the skin. And this way I can get really close to the lashes. You can ask your client, and I'll ask Kelly, do you want more of an eyeliner look so there's a little tint on the skin, or do you just want the hair tinted?
We'll do the eyeliner look.
And go ahead and close. Does that feel okay? Perfect. Great. So remember, when you do the lashes, we're skipping the first step, which was the primer we used on the brows, and there's only 2 steps for the lashes. So we're starting with the base color, and this time I'm using the brown black. And I'm going to come right up to the skin because she does want that eyeliner look, and we're going to give her a tap, slight tap at the base of the lash, which will create a thin, tight line. And this first step stays on for 2 minutes. I'm going to start the clock now. Okay, lastly, we're going to do our activator step. Remember to clean your brush in between each reach into the palette. And I'm using the black brown on this one. And I am touching her skin to give her that eyeliner look. Okay, and this step stays on for 1 minute. Okay. Great job, everyone. The last step is to remove. So we're going to remove dry first, and then we can rinse with water. Note if you're doing a brow lamination after or a lash lift after, you don't use the water, you'll use the nourishing oil from your kit. I'm gonna take this off, don't open. Okay, last step is just a little bit of water. Okay, look up. They look really pretty. Perfect. Well, there you have it. That's how to do the Intensive Bronze Tint by reflectocils. I'm really excited to teach this to you guys. If you want to learn more classes like this, make sure to check out our academy. I'll post the discount code. And remember, these few tips are going to help you all along the way. Never double dip. Make sure you clean your brush and your palette between each step and between each dip. Make sure you don't remove with water in between each step. You're just going to layer on top of each other. And at the end, if you're doing a brow lamination, you're not going to use water at all. You're going to go ahead and use the nourishing oil that comes with your kit. I hope these tips help you guys. I will see you around YouTube. Go ahead and like, subscribe, and follow, and we'll see you on the next one.